Ladies and gents, welcome to the Lowfield. We are here in Pelgrim's Rest. Yes, the old mining dorpie on the Lowfield. Today we are taking a look at this very mooi huisie. Yes, I'm French. Say hello to the local people. They are squatters on my little housie. I'll tell the owner, don't worry. But let's get back to business. This little nice huisie was built in 1910. Please don't mind the locals. The police are on holiday as we know it here in beautiful little South Africa. Okay, so this house was built in 1910 and it has a wide variety of character to show to us today. Okay, so we're going to go to the voorportaal and then we're going to look at some interesting books that we have here. Both in English and Afrikaans, but predominantly in Afrikaans, hey? Okay, so this house has a lot of history to tell us. So firstly, we're going to look at the dames from 1904. Very nice and snazzy in their time. A little bit too serious by the look of their faces, but you know, different times. So, the books are in a wide variety of Afrikaans and genres. A lot of the geliefde stories and the romance for the roman for the ladies, and a lot of natural books for the opas and the omas. Okay, so moving on, we have a wonderful little cowboy hat for us. You know, when you go and slaan some bokke or whatever the boertjies do these days. And we have a wonderful little photograph of General Jan Smuts. You know, Jan Smuts used to have his own airport, but now they name it OR Tambo. Yes, times have changed, people. Over here we have a lekker kamertjie, a lekker room for chilling with the family and everything like that. We got some nice magazines, like a huisgenoot for the ladies. Yeah, a lot of Igoli stuff here in Seminole. And also the lovely Mandela. And we also have a wide variety of interesting characters. There's a man with a big trombone, as you can see. That's a French instrument, if you don't know that. Interesting. This Autopie, I think he was the owner. And there was his wife. I don't know if she had arms, but she's lovely nonetheless. And then this little knoppy, little lighty, looks very sharp indeed, ladies and gents. Very sharp indeed. And then we have a man on his little horsey. Yes, very nice little house. And as I said, this house is located in Pelgrim's Rest, right? It's in the Lowfield, what we Afrikaans people call the Laagveld. Yes, a lot of history. There used to be a little mining dorpie, little mining town back in who knows when. So it's got a lot of history, a lot of old boere pots and pans, as you can see. And we have this lovely lady, Wilna Retenbach, for you English people. And she did these portraits of these are various shacks in the town. Not shacks like in Joburg, but you know, nostalgic shacks, you know, the nice ones. Over here, we have the first computer, ladies and gentlemen. This thing was probably used by most of our omas and opas back in the day. You know, there's not a lot known about it, but we can ask oma and opa. Over here, we have a big puzzle of a photograph of one of the shops. As you can see, there is Sophia and Mari. And Maria and the shopkeepers there. Over here, we have a lovely bedroom for the ladies. Very nice and pink indeed. Yes, and also a lot of like tutu dresses and whatnot. Very nice people. Hopefully the ghosts won't disturb the ladies. Okay, so moving on. Of course, we have a toilet for the women, you know, because women don't like to take the outhouse and the long drops these days. Over here, we have the lovely kitchen, you know. They even got the kettle, 2 kettles, 1 stove and 1 electric, and we got a little popcorn machine right here. Another bedroom. Yes, another bedroom, and across this lovely bedroom is the big toilet and bathroom. Another toilet. But okay, so going outside, we will see the very nice Ford Ranger Bakkie. But beyond that, we have a very great view of the surrounding low fields. Very beautiful indeed, little Elsie. We got a big bonfire area for the jollers and the lekker kuier. And over here we have the big braai area. Now for the foreigners watching this video, a braai is basically a barbecue but very better. Because in Africa we know how to do it properly. So a big area to sit with your chaps and your buddies and chums and Joel. For all the young people looking. Over here, the facilities do give access to saagsels and woods to help start the fire for you guys that only use firelighter. This is how you actually do it, chappies. There's another adjacent braai. Very big surface area for the big boerewors. Over here, we can see that the facilities also give us extra woods. Yes, and then as you can see, the view is very lovely. There are some big beef cows out there, and they moo all the time in the morning. As you can see, the locals have persisted in staying in the area. I think I will go call the missus to make them voetsek. This has been Michael Peens of the Peens family, and I bid you farewell. And if you require my services on another tour guide, I can help you. I can help the foreigners, and I can show you the primal huts and everything. There's one time I was on a tour guide, and the foreigner, he asked me, Mike, where are the tribal people and they're dancing? And then I told him, don't worry, Pete, we'll go to Parliament very soon. So I am a qualified tour guide, and I can help you in your touring duties. Thank you very much. Bye bye.